Welcome to 5-Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can dual boot Windows 10 and Windows 11 together. So I currently only use Windows 11, but the way I'm going to explain to you guys, you will understand it very easily and you can do it very easily. So first of all, you have to create a partition for your Windows 11, or you can do it you can install the Windows 11 in an empty drive, or you can simply buy another SSD or HDD for your Windows 11 drive. So if you use one hard disk, then you have to create a partition for your Windows 11. For that you can watch our channel how to create a partition. You will find video regarding that, or you can simply search on YouTube for that. So once you have the partition ready, additional drive will appear here. So for example, let's say this second drive is the partition drive, or your new SSD, or your new empty hard disk, or this kind of devices, mainly storage devices. So then you have to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. You can find a video on that on our channel. By the way, you have to do this on Windows 10, but the process is exactly same. So once you have created the Windows 10 Windows 11 ISO drive, then you have to use that drive to go to Windows setup. So you have to boot the bootable pen drive from your boot options. So as you are using a Windows 10, I suppose you already know how to install Windows 10, so you have to do that exactly like that for Windows 11 as well. So once you have booted the Windows 11 pen drive, in the setup menu you will see these options: upgrade, install Windows and keep files, and you will get custom install Windows only. So you do not need to click on upgrade, install Windows and keep files. This will make your Windows 10 to Windows 11, it will upgrade it to Windows 11. So you want to dual boot Windows 10, that's why you have to click on custom install Windows only. So once you do that, you will select all the available partitions in your Windows setup wizard, and from there you have to select that particular partition you just have created, and here you will find your Windows 10 option as well. Under drive 0 and partition number something, you will you have to check the total size and free space, then you will understand this is your Windows 10 drive. For example, in my PC, my Windows drive is it has 111 GB of storage and 20 GB is left. So you have to check that and match with that in here, and you have to select the new SSD or the new partition you have created, and you have to complete the setup. So once you have completed the setup, now you can choose which Windows to boot when the computer runs. For that you have to open your settings. So once you have opened the settings in your new Windows 11, you have to go to about, then here you will find advanced system settings. In here you will find startup and recovery. You have to click on settings, and you have to select default operating system as you wish, and you can also provide a time to display list of operating system, where it will give you 30 seconds or whatever time you choose to choose between Windows 10 and Windows 11 when you start up your computer. So that's how you can basically dual boot Windows 10 and Windows 11 on your computer. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.